Hey there, Danielle's car. It's kind of a weird one. It's making this grinding sound. She complained the air conditioning was out too, so I took the belt off the air conditioner and the grinding got way worse. So here I'm going to start it for you so you can hear what it sounds like. This is after I take off the cap. Doesn't get much worse. You just hear the thumping sound because, you know, it's pressurized in there. It really doesn't sound like it's coming from the alternator. It sounds like it's coming from right in here. Whatever ideas you have, I'm just thinking of pulling the head off just to have a look-see, but thought I'd talk to you first.